Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the settings and parameters within the Debtor Drilldown Report. In this video, we will start on the report screen. For more information regarding how to navigate to the Debtor Drilldown Report, please refer to the Debtor Drilldown Report user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Add New button. The report profile screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons located within the report profile screen. Report category refers to the classification or grouping of the report. Click on a report category drop-down menu and select the debtor option. Report type refers to the specific report that you want to use. Click on a report type drop-down menu and select the Debtor Drilldown Report option. The Debtor Drilldown Report panel will appear. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons located within the Debtor Drilldown Report panel. Click on a down arrow next to the blank report option to select the previously set up profile to generate. For more information on setting up profiles, please refer to the Profile Setup Overview user manual linked in its video's description. For the purposes of this video, click on a blank option from the list. Report description provides a concise explanation of the report's content and purpose. Click on a report description field and complete the relevant information. Timespan represents a distinct period between two specified dates. We will now take a look at each field and option in a timespan section. Financial period is a time frame within the financial year. Click on a From and To drop-down menus to select the appropriate dates on a date picker where the report will start and end. Capture date is the date that the transaction was captured on the system. Click on a From and To drop-down menus to select the relevant start and end dates. Transaction date is the date that the service was rendered to the debtor. Click on a From and To drop-down menus to select the relevant start and end dates. IFRS 15 date refers to the International Financial Reporting Standard date, which is the date the contract started and ended. Click on a From and To drop-down menus to select the relevant start and end dates. Please note that by selecting the relevant dates is not compulsory, as it is not always possible to know when the start and end dates of the contract will be. Accounts refers to which data accounts will be used when the report is generated. We will now take a look at each field and option in the Accounts section. Selection type is the data criteria that will be used to generate the report. All refers to all debtors on the system that will be taken into consideration when the report is generated. Range refers to a specific range of debtors on which the report will be generated. Click on a type drop-down menu and select the appropriate option from the list. Number is a series of account numbers you can specify in the From and To fields. Name is a specified name you can enter into the From and To fields. File number is a series of file numbers you can specify on the From and To fields. Click on a From and To drop-down menus to select the relevant start and end dates. List refers to a group of specified debtors as indicated on the list. When clicking on the List Radio button, additional buttons will appear, which we will explain. Search allows you to select the desired debtors from the debtor list screen. Click on a Search button. The debtor list screen will open. From here, you can search the relevant debtor to add to the report. Click on a Close button to return to the previous screen without saving. Click on a Select button after selecting a debtor to import the debtor into the report. Previous report refers to the debtors that were selected from a previously generated report. Click on a Previous Report button. An attention pop-up will appear where you can select the previous report to add debtors from the drop-down menu provided. Click on the Cancel button to return to the previous screen without adding the debtor. Click on the OK button to add the selected data to the report. Raw text enables you to input a list of data IDs in various formats, including sequences of numbers separated by non-numeric characters such as commas or spaces, and also accommodates the use of prefixes. Click on a Raw Text button. An attention pop-up will appear where you can enter the relevant information into the text box provided. Click on the Cancel button to return to the previous screen without adding the data. Click on the OK button to add selected data to the report. Please note that once the data have been selected, they will appear on the list. Grouping and filtering refers to how the data of the report will be grouped together. Tick the relevant checkbox in order to choose a grouping criteria in which the report will filter. Transactions refers to additional options for the information that will be presented when the report is generated. Tick the relevant checkbox in order to make a selection of the extra information that will be included in the report. Settings refers to additional options for the information that will be presented when the report is generated. Tick the relevant checkbox in order to make a selection of the extra information that will be included in the report. Click on a close button to return to the previous screen without saving the report settings. Click on a drop-up menu below the Generate Report button. Click on a Save and Generate button to produce the Debtor Drilldown Report as well as save the information completed. The Save New Profile screen will open. From here, you are able to assign a profile name to the report settings we have just set. The profile name with its configured settings will then be available for future use. Click on a Cancel button to return to the previous screen without saving. Click on OK button to save the new name for the profile and generate the report. Click on a Generate Report button to produce the Debtor Drilldown Report based on the information completed.